Alright, this video is how to do what they call compound or complex conversions. And all that means is you're going to have to convert more than one thing at a time. And so don't panic, because the skills that we've been building on are going to get into play on this one. So in this case, on question 61, we have 5,190 feet per minute, meaning we're traveling that many feet every minute. And we want to turn that into miles per hour, right? And so how would we go about doing that? Well, just like we did before, we're going to write down the number, 5,190 feet per minute, and then we're going to say, okay, we want to convert the feet into miles. Well, how the heck do we do that? Where would we put the feet? The feet's up here, and we want to eliminate feet. So where would we put the feet over here when we do the conversion? Right, we're going to put it on the bottom. We're going to put feet there, and we're going to put mile there. And what's going to happen is feet is going to divide out with feet, and we'll be left with miles, just like what we want to do up here to get there, right? So the next question we ask is, how many feet are there in a mile? So 1 mile is the same as 5,280 feet. Cool. Are we done? No, because they didn't just change the feet to miles, they want us to change the minute to hour. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, the minute is here on the bottom, so where are we going to want it to be on the conversion? Yeah, we're going to want the minute to be up here, and so it'll cancel. And then the hour is going to be down here. And again, we're going to end up with miles per hour, right? And then the next thing you ask yourself is, what's the conversion between minutes and hours? Well, there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. As a side note, there's some problems where you have to convert seconds to hour. So remember, there's 60 seconds in a minute and another 60 minutes an hour. So there's 3,600 seconds in an hour when you get to those problems. But for this one, it's just, we had it in minutes and now we're going to hour. So now we've got this thing set up. Let's kind of start doing the elimination, right? So minute divided by minute is 1, so we can cross those out. Foot divided by foot, that's gone. And so what are we left with? We're left with mile, and we're left with hour, right? Mile divided by hour, that's exactly where we want to be. And then we have these numbers in here. So we have 5,190 times 60 over 5,280, and that's miles per hour, right? And so now we would just do the math and get your answer, and you have your miles per hour. And that's how you do compound numbers.